What's going on there, sir?
Near your business.
It is my business when you break traffic law like that. I'm going to report it to the police. DP19EKT. And his phone screen was lit up and I could see him having a conversation on the phone. He was holding it to his mouth.